How to add videos to YouTube Kids. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kid here, and on today's video I will show you how you can add videos to YouTube Kids. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is you have to open up YouTube, not the YouTube Kids. So from the YouTube, select the video that you want to add to your YouTube Kids. For example, I have one video right here. So open up the video. Once you open it up, tap on the share button here. Scroll down a bit. Under the share tab, there you have an option as with kids. Tap on it. Now you have to select the profile. So select your kids profile and then tap on share. So once you have shared this video, what you have to do is open up your YouTube Kids, and I will show you how you can access the video that you have added or shared recently. So once you're on your kids profile, tap on the your stuff option at the bottom of this interface. Navigate the top section, there is a shared option, tap on it, and there you go. Here you have the video that you have added from the YouTube or shared from your YouTube account to the YouTube Kit. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.